Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isowa for Isowa Gallery, and I post videos that relate to home updates, unboxings, setup of what I unbox, photography, lifestyle, travel, like anything really, mostly lifestyle stuff. But for the most part, I've been doing a lot of home updates this year and getting a few things for my new home. When you get a chance, check my playlist on like my move and my home updates. So anyways, today I want to unbox my vacuum cleaner. So I've been thinking about getting a Dyson cleaner for years, like literally. There was one of my videos where I unboxed, when I removed the Christmas tree. I think it was sometime in January, and I used a vacuum cleaner from Mio, and I was telling you that I wanted to get something lighter or something more, I mean easier for me to use. So my prayer is that the Dyson that I got will be lighter and easier to use. It just looks like a whole thing. But today I'm going to show you everything that I got, and I'm going to unbox everything and hopefully set up and try to use it. So the vacuum cleaner I got was the V11 Outsize Absolute Plus from Dyson. And I researched online, researched on YouTube for the best vacuum cleaner, the best Dyson cleaner for me in this house. So right now where we live, we have hardwood floors all over the house. There are a few rugs here and there, but no carpet, all hardwood floors. So based on my research, based on what I was watching about like the vacuum cleaner to get, it felt like this was the best to get. It's the V11 Outsize Absolute Plus vacuum cleaner. So I got it from the Dyson website, and it came with a free clean kit. I think they're like little heads, and also a free dock, like a floor dock where we can put the vacuum cleaner on. The vacuum cleaner itself has so much in the box, so much. So I don't know, I mean, when I get a chance, I can put it in the description or on the screen, all the things that come with the box itself, and then like the free toolkit and the free dock. I'm not sure whether you're going to get the same thing when you order this vacuum cleaner, but this is what I got. So this is what I picked and all. So yeah, let me start the process of unboxing and setting up this vacuum cleaner. So this is how it looks. I mean, it's got a number of floor heads in there. I'm going to show you everything that it comes with. This is the free toolkit, so the extra heads that comes with this vacuum. I mean, this vacuum also has so many different heads. And then this is the freestanding charging dock that came with the vacuum cleaner as well. This is a second head, which is great because I know that there's another vacuum that has just this. So this vacuum has both of these, so that's nice. So what is in the box? There's a laser slim fluffy cleaner head. So it's a laser slim fluffy cleaner head, and then there's a digital motor bar extra large cleaner head. There's a hair screw tool. Good. I mean, like when I comb my hair and all my wigs and everything, so it can take out all my hair. The fabric and mattress tool is this. one, the fabric and mattress tool, and then the low reach adapter. I think it's this. So it's like a combo crevice tool. I think it's this. The mini soft dusting brush is this. Stubborn dirt brush is this. Additional battery. So that's what is here. I'm guessing the battery, there's another battery here. So there's a battery up here. Oh, it's good to have 2 batteries. That's good. And then there's an additional battery here. A docking station. Oh, that's what this is. Oh my. And then a charger. It looks like it comes with 2 chargers, so that's good. And a wand clip. That's this. Oh my goodness, there's so many. So yeah, everything is here. I'm going to show you on the screen where everything is. Like, they're all here. Like all the different items that come, with the vacuum. So now what I want to do is try my best to assemble everything and try the vacuum. Oh my gosh. Then after that, after I assemble everything, hopefully I'll have enough time to do this. I can open the dock and then see how that works with the vacuum as well. Okay, so I don't see instructions or anything, so I'm just gonna figure it out. So basically this is the vacuum. This itself, this on its own is a bit heavy. It's not, I mean, it's easy to carry. So I'm trying to, whoopsies. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is place this here and see if it works. Okay, see that? We're getting there. That's what I'm gonna do. And then place this head here. Okay. And this is how it looks. Okay. If this is how it's supposed to be, then it's really not bad. Like, I guess it's supposed to be pretty easy to put together. So now I'm gonna, okay, place it on the floor. Let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks on the floor. I actually got a new rug from Ruggables. It's in another video, but yeah, anyways. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So it's not bad. Can it stand on its own? I guess not. Can it? Anyways, so this is how it looks. Now let me try it on. So this switch here is what I've been mistakenly touching. And the battery's here. The battery's right here. And I'm sure this is where all the dirt is going to be. And let's see. This particular button here is to show how to start it. So we are English. English. Hold the button to select a language. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I get it now. Fully charged before first used. So let me charge it. Okay, so the vacuum is looking nice and sweet right now. It's looking really good. What I need to, like, maybe it's just me or maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I can't even see instructions anywhere. Like, and I don't have the time to be looking for instructions online. But anyways, let's keep going. So it says to fully charge the vacuum before you use it, right? So what I'm going to do is unbox this docking station thingy and see how I can put everything there and then charge it. So look at what I have going here. Like, look at all this paper. All of this just for these here and this. So this is what I've done so far. I put the dock. I'm so glad I got the docking station thingy because I didn't want to screw the other docking station. But this is how it looks, right? So I put the adapter here. I think there should be another way for me to do it, but for now I just put it here directly on the battery off this, and then I just plugged it onto here, and now it's charging. You see the blue light? It's charging. I'm not too sure how long the charge will take. Let me see. So right now it's saying 30% or something like that. So it's going to take a while for it to charge, hopefully not too long, and then I can try it with all the different heads. Hey guys, so it is the second day. I look totally different. This is how it looks. It is 100% charged now. So based on what we've done so far, it says that I have 44 minutes and 20 seconds. And this is the battery level. So it's not bad. This is how much dirt that it has taken, even from the floor as well. So the carpet and the floor. So what I want to do now is try to remove the dirt from here and put it inside the trash. I am really glad that I got it, and I'm just really glad that this is a good buy for me, like a really good buy. So I can't wait to explore more about it and then use all the other tools like I said yesterday. Okay guys, take care. I'll talk to you soon in another video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and share, and ask me any questions if you want. Remember, always remember to let your cup run it over. Bye.